Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Nutri Kulcha. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need first for the Tawa Kulcha 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 4 tablespoon melted butter, 1/3 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon nigella seeds and few chopped coriander leaves. Now for the soyabean nutri, we need 1 cup soaked soyabean nutri nuggets, 1 cup soaked soyabean nutri keema, 4 slit green chilies, 1 inch sliced ginger, 2 teaspoons salt or as per taste, 1 bay leaf, 2 dry red chilies, 3 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1.5 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 black cardamom, 1 small piece mace, 4 green cardamom, 5 black peppercorns, 4 cloves, 2 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves, 2 teaspoon carom seeds, 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder, 3 tablespoon dry pomegranate powder, half teaspoon asafoetida, 1 cup chopped onion, 3 tablespoon ghee, 1 inch chopped ginger, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 4 tablespoon prepared masala, 2 cup tomato puree, 1 teaspoon black salt, 2 teaspoon salt or as per taste and 1 teaspoon fenugreek leaves. Now for the recipe, first for the kulcha, place the all-purpose flour on a clean bench and create a hole in the middle of it. Add salt, baking soda and baking powder to it and mix. To this, add melted butter and mix. Mix it so that all the particles of flour are coated with butter. I forgot to add yogurt, so I added it later. But yogurt should be added and mixed at this stage. Next, add water and knead the dough. After the dough is together, press it with your palms and fold it again. Again, press it and fold it. Repeat this process for at least 10 minutes. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and leave it aside for an hour. After an hour, you will see that the dough has risen well. Divide the dough into 4 parts and make dough balls out of it. Apply oil on the plate and place these dough balls on it. Apply oil on the dough balls and cover it and keep them aside for an hour. Take one of the dough balls and cover the remaining. Apply some oil on the dough ball for kneading. Do not apply dry flour as it might ruin the taste. Roll the dough ball using a rolling pin. Apply some nigella seeds and coriander to it. Sprinkle some water on top of it and gently roll it again. Take the rolled dough and apply some water on the back of it. Place the kulcha on a hot non-stick pan as we want the kulcha to stick to it. Keep the flame on low medium. Sprinkle some water on the pan and cover it so that the kulcha cooks in the steam. After 2-3 minutes, flip the pan and cook the kulcha from all the sides by facing the top side of the kulcha towards the flame. Flip the kulcha and check if it is cooked from the other side or not. If not, then cover and cook until it is cooked from the other side. Your kulcha is ready to serve. Now for the nutri, drain the soyabean by pressing it using a spatula. Next, in a boiling water, add green chilies, ginger and salt and mix. Next, add drained nutri to it and boil for 30 minutes. Again, drain it using a spatula and transfer it to a plate to cool down. Next, remove all the green chilies and ginger from it. Next, in a pan on medium heat, add the whole spices and roast until they release aroma. Transfer it to a plate and keep it aside to cool down. After it has cooled down, transfer it to a grinder and grind the masala. Transfer this to a plate and add nutmeg powder, dry mango powder, dry pomegranate powder and asafoetida and mix and keep it aside. Next, in a wok on medium heat, add ghee. When the ghee is hot, add onions and mix. Once the onions start to change their color, add ginger, garlic and green chilies and mix. Cook for 2 minutes. Add prepared masala, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Add a little water to prevent the spices from burning and mix. Once the masala releases ghee, add tomato puree, fenugreek leaves, black salt and mix. Cover it and cook until it releases ghee. Next, add the nutri and mix. Next, add half a cup of water and mix and cook. Add more water if required. Bring it to a boil and then cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Uncover and switch off the flame and add chopped coriander and mix. Your nutri is ready. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, add nutri in a bowl. Garnish it with cream, julienne ginger and chopped coriander. Transfer this to a plate. Place 2 kulchas next to it. Place some onion slices and a lemon slice next to it. Place a butter cube on top of the kulcha. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, add Nutri in a small pan. Place a kulcha next to it. Garnish the Nutri with cream and ginger juliennes. Place some onion slices and a lemon slice next to it. Garnish it with chopped coriander. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, add Nutri on top of the kulcha and place it on a platter. Garnish it with cream, julienne ginger and chopped coriander. Place some onion slices and a lemon slice next to it. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.